I'm going to show you guys a little tutorial on how to fix the red rings for Xbox 360. As you can see on my Xbox, I got 3 red rings. So we're just going to plug up the back fans, the 2 fans that are in the back. You got to have something to plug them up so they're not moving, which I'm using 2 pins. So looks like the right one's actually not even moving, but we have both of them plugged up. We're gonna wait, see how long it takes for once you're overheating the Xbox purposely, the 3 red rings, or if it's 4 red rings, will eventually get to 2. And once it gets to 2, what you want to do is take out whatever you're using to plug up the fans so it can cool down, as well as pull out the power supply. Once you do that, you just plug it back in and everything should work. There you go, you see it went to 2. So now let's zoom in on that so you guys can see it's 2. So now what we want to do is we want to take these out, and you can hear the fans are starting to work. You want to give it maybe about a minute or so. You can hear it. My Xbox is a little dirty. So what we're going to do is pull out the power cord. Xbox is off. Xbox is off. Okay. So what we're going to do is plug this back in. See, it's plugging the power source back in. And now we should just have an Xbox working. That's my video on showing you how to delete the red rings in about 3 minutes. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys benefited from it. I'm sorry, I just wanted to wanted to show you guys how to do it without having to go pay $20, $30. You know, it'll say something like that. Yeah, so that's how you fix it. That was my video, so hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.